Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Node.js 24 features. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Node.js 24, what are the new features that Node.js 24 version come up with? So first one, that is native fetch, is now built in. No more node fetch install, no confusion about version, just like in the browser, simple and the global. Example, like here we have a fetch. Okay, nothing else, you have to do the import. Node.js 24 with performance upgrade. Node.js 24 uses V8, V12.x with better memory handling and the faster cold starts. Your API will run faster, especially under heavy load. Expects faster execution, better garbage collection. Module interlope does not stuck anymore. Better support for mixing require and the import. Improved ESM support, better error messages, smoothing experience. Web Streams API support, full Web Stream API support in Node.js 24. Stream handle is now intuitive and consistent with the browser behavior. Stop making excuses, common excusing like it works on Node 18 and don't hold up. Tech devs builds fast, don't left behind. How to upgrade? Very easy. NVM install 24 or NVM use, then NVM use 24, then check the node version. Okay. Final thoughts. Node.js 24 isn't perfect, but it's progress. Upgrade now, explore the features, and improve your stack. If it breaks, good. That means you are learning. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.